Hey, just a few things regarding this website. This is all good. All good. This is all good. I was just saying that in the contact, this is all good. Testimonials, we need to remove these two in all these pages. Remove, and this recent blog posts, remove it, and these two landing pages, remove it. Then if we have it, let's say on calculators, remove it. So wherever it is, please remove it, especially on the about. Just remove it along with the recent blog post. So that should be it, and they will be sending the photos for these pages. So that's the change. Just remove these landing pages. And yes, one more thing. When we go into this inner page, is there any chance we can have this to not do this? Do you see it? It's overlapping this when we're scrolling. Can we make this steady so when you do the scroll, it will just go up without this effect? That will be great. Thanks.